This is a pretty cool day today, and it's my first ride for 2018, and I just want to wish everybody a marvelous new year. I think this year is going to be a good one. I can feel it in my bones, and we got a couple of exciting things lined up. So yep, I'm off into town. Gotta go pick up a few items. I think I might have to go get some bike lube as well, chain lube that is. So see ya. My camera has got a scuff mark, probably around about there. You probably noticed the quality of my videos is sort of deteriorated. But I'm getting a new camera in the next couple of weeks, so guess we'll just have to make do with this one in the meantime.
So this year should be a very interesting year because for the simple reason is that there's a big possibility that I might get another bike. Now, whether it's going to be a third bike or whether I'm going to trade the CBR in on another bike, heavens knows. I got to get my head around it, and financing. There's also a possibility that I might not get another bike and just stay with the CBR because, you know, I love this bike so much. I've had it since brand new. It hasn't given me literally any troubles. So, and it's due for a service now. That's lined up. It's just over a 60,000 kilometer service. So yeah, you know, we'll see. But oh, the sun's coming out, man. It's funny enough, on that side of the world it's like, it looks so dark and desolate, and over here it's all sunny. Also, the XT project is, I was going to sell the XT600, but I've decided, screw it, I'm going to see the project through. I'm determined to finish that project this year, and it's going to be in the first part of this year. And so I'll have a dual sport bike pretty soon. And yeah, the CBR also needs, besides the service, it also needs a new back tire. So that's also lined up in the next couple of weeks. That's a lot of bike expenses, I tell you. I also need new gear this year, but that's a bit later on in the year. I'll probably get a new helmet, getting a new camera, because as I said earlier, there was like a little scuff mark. There's like a little scuff mark like about there, so somewhere, and it looks shit. You know, the quality of the videos really suffers, and you know, I'd like more people to sit and watch these videos. So that's coming in the next couple of weeks. In the meantime, I've got to make do with this. Incidentally, the CBR's battery gave me a lot of troubles during the festive season, and just before I did the Boxing Day bike run, you can go check out that video. I had to buy a new battery for the bike. It didn't cost an arm and a leg actually, and it's a great battery. Works like a charm. So the CBR is up and running, so at least I don't have to worry about no start issues. Because it got so bad that literally every day I had to charge the battery up. By the time that I finished charge, put it back in the bike, and the next morning it would just barely start. So yeah. Anyway, we got some, you know, exciting stuff. We got a couple of bike trips lined up, and hopefully that'll be road trips as well as dual sport trips. What the fuck? Oh, like, what the fuck? Like, come on, dude. Seriously? Like, in the middle of the fucking road. Gee. Oh man, I tell you, these festive season drivers. That is just so dangerous. And you know, the funny thing is, I looked in my rearview mirror and he stops in the middle of the road, puts his hazards on, and a kid climbs out. It's like, oh fuck. Like, people are so stupid. There's no remedy for stupidity. Maybe I should just give him one of these, you know. Wow. That's probably what he needs. First thing right now is a good cup of coffee. Yeah, need that coffee. Alright, after coffee, let's see if the bike shop's open. Yeah, the bike shop's open. I need to go get some chain lube.
There we go. Oh, a bunch of cruisers. Look at that. Hey, Mike. All right, yourself, bro.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, good, man. Listen, compliments of the season to you.
Yeah, you too, man.
Yeah, man. Listen, mate. 2018 being fucking awesome. Yeah, I'm sure it will be.
Yeah, just organised a with the local bike shop here in Claremont, a back tyre, Battleaxe BT54 for the CBR, so I don't have to go all the way to Cape Town, and get it for a bit of a better deal. And also the oil and oil filter for the CBR as well, because the service is lined up now. So yeah, how's it?